Bro, your gym crush does not like you. Okay? Look, you're going around the gym, and you might think that she likes you because they're following each other around, but no. Bro, I'm here to tell you that you're delusional, okay? You're delusional. She doesn't like you. She likes me. No, I'm playing, but still. It's crazy because I used to think this, like, oh my god, bro, she likes me. Oh my god, bro, she wants me. She wants me, right? She wants me. Oh my god, she wants me. I used to think this way, but like, bro, you're just there to lift weights. You're just there to lift weights, bro. Even some friends are like, bro, she wants, like, if you go to the gym just to lift weights, okay? And you might see that girl that you're always like, staring at her. You guys are staring at each other. So you start a workout, and she's near you. And then you go somewhere else. Have you ever felt this way? Okay. If you do, then comment yeah. So you go somewhere else, you work out somewhere else in the gym, and then she follows you there. You're like, okay. And then you go somewhere else in the gym, and she follows you there. Bro, she doesn't like you. You're delusional. She does not like you. Okay? It's either one, it's just by coincidence and you're just delusional. I'm here to tell you that you're delusional. Or she actually does like you. But what do I do if she does like me, bro? If you really think that she likes you and you guys are just, looking at each other constantly, then what you should do from there, if you think, like, if you really wanted to talk to her, then just go up and talk to her. That's all you have to do. Just say your name. Yo, what's up? I'm this, and that. This actually happened one time. There's this one girl at the gym, long ass time ago. One girl at the gym, and I thought she liked me. So I was like, oh shit, am I being delusional? My friends were like, yeah, you're being delusional. Okay, cool. And then I started noticing she was like following me around the gym. It's like, no. This is it's just coincidences. It's like psychological coincidences. It's weird. I can't really explain it, but some people might know what I'm saying. And well, there's this one time where I don't know. I just felt like this. Like I just needed to talk to her, just so I can think that I'm right, just so I know that I'm right. Okay? And my friends were like, just go up to her, bro. If you really think this, then go up to her. If you really think she likes you, go up to her. If you like her, if you think she's cute, then go up to her and just talk to her. And so I did. I walked up to her, and I'm like, hey, can I ask you a question? She smiled. She looked at me and smiled. She was like, well, what is it? I said, what's your name? She told me her name. I said my name. And we just clicked from there. But it's another story. But just saying, it's not, she didn't like me because, I'm tall, curly headed, and 6'. No, I'm playing. But if you really think that someone does like you, then you go up and go talk to them. It's just a matter of confidence and whether you think you can do it. I mean, you just gotta walk in there with your balls hanging on the ground like you own the place. You're delusional, but you're not. Until you're not. You're delusional until you're not. So, look, this is your gym crush. You've been going to the gym for, let's say, months, or maybe less than a few months. And you like this girl. You really like this girl. And you keep staring. She keeps staring back at you. What should you do? What should you do? Go talk to her. Just go talk to her, bro. Honestly. And if not, there's this like situation where, I don't want to be seen as that one guy at the gym that just talks to the girls. He just goes there and talks to the girl. I mean, no, you're just talking to one girl. It's not going to be the end of the world if we just talk to a girl. All you're doing at the end of the day, you're just talking to someone. You can just talk to some random dude in the street, You can talk to a random guy at the gym. All you're doing is just talking. And a bunch of people get afraid of talking to just people in general. I don't know what are you so afraid about that? Why are you so afraid? There's not really anything to be afraid of. What they'll think, okay, maybe what they'll think now doesn't even affect you in the future, you know? And even if it does, why does it affect you? Why are you gonna let someone's thoughts and feelings affect the way that you feel? You are in control of your own brain, right? Or no? Or is someone else controlling your brain, right? No, no. You are in control of your own brain. So you have to wire yourself to think the way that you want to think. I'm him. Okay, yeah, I'm him. I can do this, and I can do this, and I can do this. Tell yourself that you know you can do this. Even if you think you can't. Eliminate the feeling of thinking that you can't do something. Because once you really, really put your mind to something, then you'll be able to do it. It's that simple. I want to lose fat. I want to lose fat. I want to gain muscle. If you really, I think there's a study done that if you really, really concentrate on something that you really want, then you'll get the result. Does that make sense? I could pull up the study somewhere here. But it's all like a psychological thing. You really want something, then you have to wire your brain to do everything that you can to get that one thing. Whether it be talk to the girl, whether it be starting a new business, whether it be fucking talking to people. You know? Okay, I know I could do this. Even if I mess up, okay, if you do mess up, that's good. You have to mess up. You must mess up in everything in life. You can never be perfect because no one is perfect. But if you mess up, that's a lesson to be learned. That's a good thing. It's a good thing if you mess up. If anything, it's bad if you think that you didn't mess up. And then once you fail, you look at the situation, you detach yourself from the situation, and you have to analyze what you did wrong. What could I have done better? Right? But at the end of the day, it's all a matter of did you try or not? Because you won't get any mistakes at all. You won't get any errors or faults at all if you don't even try. It's like going to the gym for the first time. I don't think I could be able to do this. No, you have to really think that you can do it, and you can do it. Right? I didn't think I could bench 225 because it was 2 plates. I didn't think I could deadlift 405 because it was 4 fucking plates on the bar. You're looking at the bar right here with 4 plates on it. It's scary, right? You're looking at the squat rack. There's 3 plates on it. There's 4 plates on it. No, you tell yourself that you can do this. Even if you fail, okay, I'll give myself a month or 2 and I'll try it again. Even if you fail, you must know that you can do whatever you want. You're looking at 2, 4, 3 plates and you're just like, what the fuck? That's a lot of weight. But I know I can do it. Even if you fail, you learn something and you try it again. You pick back up, you walk back up, and you do it right again. It may not be the same day, or it can be the same day. But you pick it up and you learn something from it. Always be a student. Always be a student. Always be learning, especially from others as well. If another person has more experience than you in something, in a field, then you should listen to them. Right? Listen to the people that have experience. I don't even know some people, man. You want to talk to that girl. You will never know if the girl likes you or not. You'll never know if you're delusional or not if you don't go up to her and talk to her. Like, do yourself a favor, level yourself up as a man and go up and just talk to her. It can be bad, it can be good. What's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen? You're grown, you can make your own decisions. Wire your brain to think that you can do whatever you can do, whatever you can do, whatever you want to do. It's just like a psychological battle within yourself. It's always a psychological battle. And it's really hard. It takes some time to rewire your brain. I'm still trying to do this myself. Trying to rewire your brain to think that you can do whatever you want to do. Okay? Just an act of confidence. And then some people, I don't know if I have enough battery left. Oh shit, I'm about to run out of battery. Alright, I'm just gonna cut it right here. My battery's about to die. I love you guys, okay?